Pasebon. So I'm gonna use forks, guys, because we don't have chopsticks and we don't even know how to use them. Who's over, sister?
Which one is nicer?
I don't know.
I'm not sure. But the book.
Unless you switch off the TV.
But the book.
Who's over, sister?
But the book.
What's the remote?
Yeah. But the
Okay.
book. That's a man. Opposite and the say, ha, Naku the stadium.
So can't spingelele.
But then
Once was hi guys. Hey, you can stay down once to the con.
hi guys. You're gonna eat sushi. The first time eating sushi.
Okay. Show them your sushi and your forks. So normally, mostly sushi, you use chopsticks. But because we don't have chopsticks and we don't even know how to use them, we'll be using
Fox.
Yes. So what is your name?
My name is Pesisha Pungula. My name is Zanda Pungula.
And what is my name?
Mommy.
Yes. My name is Mami. Okay. So guys, nice sushi. Sitenge.
Chicas.
Yes. Sitenge chikasi. Sizoyidla ke. Asivuleni.
Sushi. I think it's this side. It is.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I wish I can eat it. Yeah. Hi guys.
Yeah, now you can eat.
Yes, but oh my god,
Okay, wait. Le, you have to dip it. La.
Oh my god.
What? Why are you saying, oh my god?
You try first.
You did kanye kanye.
Okay.
Suppose, okay? Yeah.
Alright.
And then you have to dip it. Don't. It's a yonke kanje. Yeah, just take this one.
What, mommy? First, what is this pink thing?
I don't know. Eat.
I'll try.
No, don't try the pink thing. It's hot. It's chili.
Suppose.
It's nice.
No,
Leave it. No, it's nice. Come on. Ah, you said you want sushi. Eat. When I was say, yeah, it's nice, right? Do you want sushi when we get to Spur? Why? But you're eating it.
yeah. My mouth is just.
Hey, leave that. Don't eat it.
The other things are nice. It's just because you see this.
That's avocado, Spare. You don't like avocado?
I tested
So
it.
how's the sushi?
Not good.
Not good.
It wasn't good.
Really?
Yeah, it was good a little bit. Let me try.
So nganithengeli futhi sushi.
No.
But you guys are eating it, never? So it wasn't that bad.
Yeah.
Hamba uzobuya.
Mom, this is Chinese avocado. This is not the
normal avocado.
No.
Yeah, it tastes different. Let me also try and have it. Maybe you guys are. Yeah. Show me. Come. Okay, Chong. Okay, let me also try it. In even Taimbi. The black one.
Yeah.
This one is not nice, so I should try this one. This one. Yeah. Maybe
Also the avocado, I don't like it.
maybe it's because guys we are using a fork.
What?
Yeah, maybe because you use chopsticks to eat sushi. Maybe it's not nice because we are using
But
fork.
it doesn't.
Change the taste.
Oh, let me try it again. Taste it. Do you like it?
I wouldn't say I like it, but it's not bad. It's not. This is okay.
What's this? Mama, what's the
Apha bese uzanda kuzimfishana gibele.
Just take my fork.
Okay, yeah. Tell me about the sushi. Anything on your thingy, on your fries?
I am.
What are you? Guys, ninjani? Sazobingelela kahle ngithi welcome back to my YouTube channel because ngiphambi kwabantu sesibhe with my friend and my kids. Sizodla kade bengivashele for i-weekend but nahlala masiceda ukudla nje ngiyabaphilisela ubaba wabo ngixoxele indaba lezi ingane zifuze ufather wabo ngitshela ufather wabo angimazi ngithola lezi zinto ey'ngane zinkwa wamstopha uma sekumele ayeke ukudla uthi yaseku-right but uma ngasho seku-right leso sinto ngasidla siqeda laba omunye udle i-cheeseburger nama-fries omunye wadla i-pizza but ngabenzela half abasuthanga sekumele siba-odele ama-meals abantu abadala. Uzanda is 5 usibheke una-8 abasuthanga ukudla sebeqedile seku-end la into fana sebeyodlala and bezobuya sebelambile sengiqeda amanye ama-pizza esibili. Wow, njengoba espe sekubiza u-3 million thithi mina la amebhola kahle but kumnandi ngijabulela nalokho nje guys, especially because I don't live with them. Yeah, I sit there and I'm so hungry. Let's eat. Kana just I received flowers. Ngisebenza ngokwenzani? Ngokwenzani bani? Hey, ngisebenzani nzima ngithola le ndoda le. Ngithi ngiyashutha la. Ha, uyazi akanalutho. Hi my shamies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kamalangu Azande Wagamadlala. If you are new here, welcome to the family and you are now a shami. If you're a returning subscriber, Unjani Joey, welcome to a new vlog. Guys, this is Hamba listening session. So she's the one or driver because Michael Schumacher. I'm not Michael Schumacher, I'm just a girl. So back in 1994 she used to be a taxi driver, so that's why she can drive so well. Yeah, uyagijima lo mntwana, mina angikwazi ukugijima njengaye yabo, and if ungagijima uzokudedisa and I can't deal. Yeah, so guys, sisi installile sithe nanca. Hi guys, sithe nanca i-installation. Guys, our previous vlog, guys, yazi, I think ngiyaqala ukuthi ngiposte vlog and receive so many comments. Any vlog not comments, DMs rather. Any vlog yaba kanjalo vlog esekhaya yabo, because abantu abaningi basho ukuthi bayathanda ukuveza amakhaya, so authentic whatever. So leya nonombuso ngireceive ama-DM amaningi nonombuso naye cabanga. Ngireceive ama-DMs amaningi abantu besho ukuthi oh shame Azande, this is so beautiful. Khona nje omnye usisi shame engithintile i-DM yakhe, I think ngizoyi-inserta, ubethi empilweni yakhe like ubethi situation ecishe ethi ayifane nekaNombuso, and the only thing she needs umuntu ozompusha amtshela ukuthi you can still do it, nomuntu ozocelebrate naye achievement yakhe encane, like even ukubizwa ukushortlistwa after an interview yena besho ukuthi kodwa she's trying to find a job yabo. Abanye bayasho ukuthi angibelieve kwi-friendship, but ngenza ukuthi ngibelieve kwi-friendship again ukuthi there's someone out there ozongithanda njengomngane nani, and then omunye suggested that we get matching bracelets nje, like ziningi there's a cute guys when you suggest that. Thank you so much, thank you. Not suggest amantombazane angena memo athandanayo ilokho nje kuphela yabo. Now uzomthola lo anginayo motivation, anginakho ku10 soba u2, not her. I think mina ngisenke agile kakhulu kuma friendships because ngumuntu open. I think mina ngiwafoma kakhulu ama friendships more than her yabo. Lo ngamazi Nombuso une best friend eyodwa yabo, sengimazi nje bena lo best friend, but unabo abanye bangani kodwa nje best friend akhe yodwa. Mina my best friend ami ayashintsha. It's not even funny because I'm still healing yabo. Enye i-best friend yami ayikho kwi-varsity, wayengibhulisha nje loya girl kosama Varsity yeke high school best friend wami Varsity she wayengibhulisha usiphela igama ukuthi nje ngangithi best friend kodwa nje wayengibhulisha after lokho ngathola enye best friend futhi saxabana mina naye nje kwakuphi sa wrong so 2 angifuni nje ngithiwa wrong eyedwa yabo nami nje kuningi engamenza kona okumbi naye kuningi akangenza kona okumbi then mina ke ngathi sengenziwe lokhu kokugcina ngathi ayasiyeke mfethu ngoba siya pretend ayikho into esiyenzayo okugcina saxatshaniswa nje amanga khona nje amanga asangena kuwona sacula emangeni so 2 asifake enkingeni nami kwamele ngingene kulawo manga lawo and then yaphela friendship kanjalo because kwasemele siblockane nani and then ngakhala ke kwadlula yeah and then I'm stuck with my friend
and you're stuck with me my darling
yeah
awuna choice
andina choice ke sana guys izolo ubaby so ubaby ngihamba ngimbona ke I hardly vlog mangabe ngiyobona umfana mangithi ngiyafika umuntu ama roses agcwele indlu I was so happy guys and ngiyambuza ukuthi si celebrateani uthi funda ikhadi uzokwazi ukuthi waye ngikuthengela ama flower ngithi okay maybe going somewhere maybe yabo mangithi usungithengelela ukuthi ngimuhle so there's this thing esisho mina naye ikhadi lonke nje so mina mhlambe yabo nginokuthi mangigqokile ngithi yo fana impilo inzima yezwa athe inzima baby impilo ngisaya kodwa mina ngizima kakhulu yabo into kanjalo yabo sijalo ukuthi sikhulume kanjalo so uthunga then wabhala lokho wathi our love is beautiful kodwa umuhle kakhulu and then khona enye into esijalo ukushow yena uyathanda ukuthi one love my out sonke my out yabo and then mangabe sengiyahamba ngithi mina one love my out then wabhala nalokho it was so cute guys ngiyamthanda ngiyamthanda guys ngiyamthanda and yo angikwazi lokujolo kunjena nothing ngiyiPakistani engena stolo utshele without umuntu wami asameni ke guys let's go guys, we've just checked in because we're going to Elias is going to come listen down so we're going to and then this is the bathroom so if you get let's go to 10 so nice then this is the bedroom. What's up, Hansel on bed?
Wangiyekisa umjolo yathandana nami wayivuma sino wayivuma wayivuma uTobriz wamvelase
awukwazi ungaveli
angivelanga nakuma video benwenza lapha
ngiyatrenda manje video yethu
how
Bangimthulisa bonayo. Le ntombi.
Sibaningi vele. Siyaphanda, siyazama but singakhohlwa le emakhaya. Then njengamanje I think so like talk number 2. Talk number 2 ke. Yeah. Kodwa uqonde khona kodwa ngisho. Kodwa ithi kuphelela I think ifeature shoma ho. Ngaphelela manxeba.
Selfish, umuntu wami selfish. Wabuthatha kokuhle, abanye wabancisha. Selfish, umuntu wami selfish. Bayithatha yonke ibodi, abanye wabancisha. Selfish, umuntu wami selfish. Wabuthatha konke ubuhle, abanye wabancisha. Selfish, umuntu wami selfish. Bayithatha yonke ibodi, abanye wabancisha. Upele.
I don't know if I'm
Guys, we are back at the hotel. We're about to sleep. We are so lit and stuff. Well, I don't drink, so I'm not lit, but the vibes are very nice. Ku 7,000 wenzani uwakot?
Senyawan, ungigade
usinowelwe i-faculty yakhe asebenza no-7,000
ungasawubazi u7 nje
U7.
ibambe ku7 bazoyigesela ukuthi 1000 noma uha
yep
kodwa ngeke ibe uha
ngeke be
Shuthi utalo 7
noma 700
K oh bese ngikuthi is older now hey ingavushi phansi azande kuthiwa kuyiwasha u4 4
not to go high
hayi bo hey uyaphi ko ha uhayi manje lokukhela kaqhawe
ulele
ikadla mina la awazi uzongicela lila ku7 ku7 yonke ku7 ikadla mina ba I don't know. Ulele wait. Ulele phi? Animeni mphakuse.
Lele lapho G18.
bayeza bawutra bazolala nawe
Hambani. Asifuthi. Kemani.
solala nani
Kemani ngikushisa ayina phela mina.
ngeke
Izobela mhlawumbe inkani indoni solala lana.
Angiphume mina lento.
Erumini endoni.
Angiphume mina masiya. Liphi ibhani masuyagqokile. Akine ndaba nalo ngizothenga. Yabuza unemali ngizothenga.
asindawo
Bathi bengahamba bashiye.
Hi my chummies, we're about to sleep. I'm sleeping with my friend obviously. So lala guys, we'll talk kusasa. I think so get breakfast and we have to get denims for whatever that we're doing tomorrow. For now, asilala isikhathi ubani bangixesha u12 u1 to we tomorrow. Good night guys. Bye. Top of the morning.
Njengoba manje siyabe breakfast. Ikuphi la sikhona?
Lakewood Hotel.
Sisele-Lakewood Hotel siyodla i-breakfast njengoba manje. Woza hamba nathi uzosibuka sidle.
Kwara 2 how angithi izwa lokho.
Azoyibona isemenshini wevele so ududu sezoza azoyibona ngoba usebizi so that's when
Ubaya the phone ka?
Guys, angasiyapi but we're going somewhere. Sesidlile breakfast, it was nice. Ngeke nje manje breakfast. So manje siyaphi? Kuthiwa siyaphi
So self ama-jeep, ama-glow.
ama-jeep. Ama-jeep.
Kungiphala video please.
Ama-jeep.
Siyaflowa manje.
Yeah, siyama-jeep.
Uthi ufuna ukujikanela ngathi mina ngiyasabawela awubheceleza isunflower umuze ngazi ukujika nawe uthi ufuna ukujikanela ngathi mina ngiyasabawela awubheceleza isunflower umuze ngazi ukujika nawe ngathi mina aphenduke ngikhoji funa ukubabazela to my koti ungani ungayibanga ifoni noma sengaphenduka udoti ngiyempela cela usondele malafu uzongifebela ngiyacela
Azomnandi khare.
Kumnandi.
Awe man. Akumnandi.
Wawungawafakela ama-sardines no?
Mathande ke. Ngiziphuthuphi mina. Ngize ngiphume ngiphuthuphi. Basagcina nesifuba again. Nabantu abangenayo.
So mina make kwafika ku-10 make yasi-16,000 sendawo
Uma sexy guy unjani talilela yona ngiyondlela yokuphila sengisaba nokhomitha noma sexy guy unjani talilela yona ngiyondlela yokuphila sengisaba nokhomitha noma sexy guy impilo yasebusika suyo nabathina bamanita sengisaba nokomita uhlanganiswa isimomondia ingane zama-brows on fleek uzoyifica uzoyishiya la uhlanganiswa isimomondia ingane zama-brows on fleek uzoyifica uzoyishiya la Aw lutho mina ngikuthandela lutho I love you genuinely so Aw lutho mina ngikuthandela lutho I love you genuinely so Aw lutho mina ngikuthandela lutho I love you genuinely so
Or you can it's good for fertility, it's good for migraine, it's also very good for migraine, good for your skin because it has got glutathione that it's inflammatory, good for seasonal illness like flu, sinus, high fever and allergies, so we mustn't get it fried.
Hi my chummies, hi ninjani guys, ngiyaphila sesibuyile kwi-trip ade sekuyona. Mina ngibuye yesterday last night because someone was sick, so kumele ngibuye ngizomcheck ukuthi right yini, and then abanye baphuma namhlanje but bengaseke into ade kumele siyenze. Oh guys, we enjoyed, the food was so nice and also happy to see abantu baseDurban, yabo uMambovu oSnow nobani bekumnandi nje shem guys, si-enjoyile kakhulu. Namhlanje siya kwi rehearsal yokugcina, rehearsal or recording mfana. Ngizoniveza nje ama clip but I'm just here to end my vlog. I'm so tired. I think it's the drips, yabo lama drip asitshela ukuthi masesiwathathile kumele silale. I mean uzofika ngathi unga-rest nananani, so nami ngikhathele ngathi ngingalala. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog lena. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Ngiyanithanda my shamies. Bye.
So this one is gonna be 1 minute song, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What's the next one?
What about you?
What's the guitar?
Yes.
Says we been on imagine. Where were you? Okay.
Where are you?
Okay, let's figure out the PVs, ne? Also, this song, I think.
Yeah? Ilaphi? Give me. Ilaphi ngiyothatha.
Una vez le chai westi flat. Bathi esa kwistashe take. Batuze ngizobe ngidrive Lamborghini ngizomaya. Ingane sikhona security. Masifika lele sika. Baby go on already.
Let's go. Yes.
I-passport i-12 thole ngingqibela omnisi ibhede ngifaka umamdindi ubasted nedolfini ngagcina ukurapha nge-covid catalogue yami into esolid izinto zami ziqondile yalazi iwashi mahleli kusisi wo iwashi ihleli kusisi hamba ngesilwane esigreen mangithi zowu-2 sifuna ngiyimithise wo cross amabhoda shalo shuni dayimane elihamba kakhulu azuthi mina ujebu bangaba khona ngiphenduka isibuku
Nothing in your move, nothing in your toe. Calling me diamond.
Ngakho ngesingwe to be part of the ram. Madu sumthola ngidayela parade. Nama afri mama awota masam. Anywhere I see. Ngakho ngesingwe to be part of the ram. Madu sumthola ngidayela parade. Nama afri mama awota masam. Anywhere I see.
Selfish, umuntu wami selfish. Absatha kubuhle. Abanye abancika. Selfish, umuntu wami selfish. Bayithatha yonke